Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI basic programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 96, Centered Boxed Titles. I'm going to read the very brief program description, get into TI Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A on a modern PC, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 96, Centered Boxed Titles. Here's how to dress up your program titles. After you type in and run the program, press any key on your keyboard to do more. Okay, let's get into TI Basic. Here's the TI-99 4A start screen. Press any key to begin. Press 1 for TI Basic. And let's start typing. 10, call clear. 20. Input, what is the title? And we're going to call that T-string. 30. LT equals length of T-string. 40 if LT is greater than 20. Then 60. 50. Go to 80. 60. Print oops, too long, try again. Oops, too long, try again. Did I get that right? Let's see. Oops, too long, try again. I'm just trying to get it exactly as written by the original author of the program. $70, go to 20. 80, LB equals LT plus 6. Length of the box, I presume. LB. Okay, 90. SP, maybe for space, not sure. Equals, okay, double parens, 32 minus LB. Okay, in paren, divided by 2. And the second paren, minus 1. Check that in a minute. 100 AS string equals an asterisk. 110, call clear. 120, print tab. SP minus 1. Semicolon. And quote, space, quote, semicolon. $130 for L equals 1 to LB. $140, print AS string, and semicolon I believe I saw, yes. 150, next L. $160, print tab, SP, semicolon, quote, asterisk, asterisk, space, end quote, semicolon, T-string, semicolon, oops, T-string, semicolon, Okay, then we have quote, space, asterisk, asterisk, quote. I think that's the end of the line. Looks good. 170, print tab, SP -1, semicolon, quote, space, quote, semicolon. $180 for L equals 1 to LB. $190, print AS string, and semicolon, I believe. Yes. 200, next L. 210 for L equals 1 to 15. $220, print. 230, next L. And 240, call key. 0, Z, X. 250. If X equals 0, then 240. 260, go 210. All line 250 does, if there's no key press, it just sends it in a loop back to 240 waiting for a key press. Okay, well, I'm going to clear the screen, type list, and we're going to be on the lookout for math errors, syntax errors, typos, anything of that sort. And nothing seen at a glance, but just because we don't see it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Let's run the program and see what we get. What is the title? Let's just do Cozy Azeroth first. Okay, there we go. It seems to work as expected. Got a screenshot of that. Now we can press any key to move on. What is the title? Let's do the title of this stream. Why not? See, this is number 95, which is, or 96, excuse me, 96. I forgot which number I was on. 96, centered boxed titles. Oop, too long. How about centered boxed titles? Boxed titles. There we go. Boxed titles. Okay. How about my name? That works pretty well. How about something like TI basic is fun? There we go. Simple. I like the scrolling as well. Nice little touch. There's 1,000 ways to make little boxed titles in TI Basic. This is a cute little fun way to do it. You know, if you're going to write a program, take the time to write a program, might as well write a cool little title screen for it, right? In any case, that was Centered Boxed Titles, program number 96, from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I'm working my way through all 101 programs from this book, so if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of the videos previously done in this series on my YouTube channel. And there's a few yet to come, so stay tuned for those, both on Twitch Live and on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, again, check out my Twitch channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth. That's a nod to my favorite modern game, World of Warcraft. And on my YouTube channel and on Twitch, you can find retro programming, retro gaming, retro computing, lots of TI-99 4A content, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. If you're watching this on Twitch, same thing, check out my YouTube channel. On both platforms, I appreciate likes and follows and especially subscriptions, which help me out greatly in these troubling and difficult financial times. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video.